Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we will be showcasing Ajrak printed modal silk sarees. Ee fabric anedi chala soft, smooth and comfortable fabric andi. Very flowy fabric, easily maintain chesukochu. Travels ki chala bagunna fabrics idi. Deentlo we have uploaded lot of videos, manchi designs anedi upload chesam. Ee roju kuda kotta designs ochindi. We are getting a good feedback for this fabric. Light weighted fabric, below 500 grams manaku saree untundi. Transparency anedi undadu ee sarees lo, and all these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. So ee roj collections of Ajrak printed modal silk sarees chuddam. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamo. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. The first design for today, neen drape cheskunna modal silk saree andi. It's a complete black color saree. Body is black. Dantlo we have beige with maroon color combination printed motifs. So throughout the body manaki ilanti printed motifs vastundi. Equally spaced motifs, and both sides we have these patola pattern printed borders, maroon, black and beige color combination printed borders. The saree also carries a antique copper zari weave border on either side. This is the complete look of the saree, and this is the pallu. So pallu is again a complete patola pattern printed pallu, maroon, black and beige color combination printed motif, and the blouse, it's a beige with maroon color printed blouse. The saree is priced at 1700, free shipping. So the next color combination, it's a maroon with black color combination saree andi. So ee roju episode lo manam chupistuna Ajrak printed modal silk sarees comes in these two color combination, maroon and black color combination lo vastundi. The body print will differ, and the combination ippudu first manam chusindi black saree, this is a maroon color saree, only that will be the difference. So ikkada maroon base lo we have beige with black color printed motifs. So similar kind of printed motifs like the previous saree, and this saree also comes with a 5 to 6 inch printed border on either side, smashed with a antique gold zari weave border. This is the complete look of the saree, and this is the pallu. So pallu kuda manaki manchiga same alanti color combination lone different pallu anedi vastundi. The blouse, it's a beige with black color combination printed blouse, and the saree is priced at 1700, free shipping. The next pattern in modal silk saree, so this is a floral printed modal silk saree, a black color saree. This saree comes with beige with maroon color printed motifs. So throughout the body ila manaki floral pattern lo pitchwai printed pattern kuda manakundi. Dantlo complete floral printed motifs vastunnai, and both sides maroon color lo zari weave borders, and one side you have a beige with maroon color paisley pattern printed border. So this is the complete look of the saree. So body mottam floral print, and we have weave borders as well, and this is the pallu. Pallu kuda manaki small floral prints vastundi, beige with maroon color combination printed motifs, and the blouse, it's a ikat printed blouse. This blouse can be paired up with any sort of sarees andi. Manaki plain sarees kuda baguntayi, kalamkari baguntundi, plain black color saree kani plain maroon sarees kuda ee blouses manchiga pair chesukochu, and this saree is priced at 1700, free shipping. The next one, it's a black color modal silk saree, complete patola pattern printed saree andi. Print aithe chala baguntundi. Simple ga కావాలి అంటే ఇలాంటి sarees ప్రిఫర్ చేయొచ్చు. Both sides we have these vidarbha pattern borders, and throughout the body beige color లో patola pattern printed motifs వస్తుంది. One side of the saree carries a printed border as well. It's a 6 inch printed border, and this is the pallu. A contrast color pallu, panel pattern pallu, maroon, beige and black color combination printed pallu. The blouse, it's a beige with maroon color printed blouse, priced at 1700, free shipping. The next color combination, a black with maroon color saree, again a complete printed modal silk saree, and Ajrak printed modal silk saree. So దీంట్లో we have these butties అండి, 5 inch butties వస్తున్నాయి black base మీద, equally spaced butties in beige with maroon color combination ఉంటుంది, and both sides ఇలా మనకి printed borders with zari and borders కూడా వస్తున్నాయి. Maroon and beige color combination printed border అనేది ఉంటుంది, and this is the pallu. So pallu kuda chala baguntundi, complete ikat pattern printed pallu vastundi, and the blouse, it's a beige with maroon color wavy printed blouse, priced at 1700, free shipping. A black color patola printed modal silk saree. So a beige with maroon color combination printed body. So this saree comes in black color base for which you have a beige with maroon color combination printed motifs anedi untundi, and both sides maroon, black and beige color border. Printed border 3 to 4 inch printed border plus a gold zari weave border kuda vastundi, and this is the pallu. So pallu also comes in the similar color combination lo manaku pallu untundi. It's a 1 meter pallu andi, almost 1 meter ki manaku pallu anedi vastundi. And the blouse, it's a beige with maroon color printed blouse priced at 1700, free shipping. The next pattern in modal silk saree andi, again a complete ikat printed modal silk saree. So body mottam we have these printed booties, 5 inch printed booties vastunnai. Beige with maroon color combination printed motifs aithe throughout the body ki vastundi. Both sides ila ikat printed borders vastunnai. Border kuda chaala baaguntundi, and we have a gold zari weave border as well. And this is the pallu, a complete printed pattern pallu, mottam beige maroon color combination printed pallu anedi vastundi. And the blouse, it's a maroon with beige color combination printed blouse, and the saree is priced at 1700, free shipping. The next pattern in modal silk saree, again a beige black maroon color combination saree. So deentlo we have maroon as the body base. So on maroon color combination we have beige color checks pattern printed motifs running throughout the body. La check shape lo Pochampalli style pattern printed motifs aithe vastundi. Both sides again alanti pattern lone we have the printed border apart from the gold zari weave border. And this is the pallu. So pallu kuda ila complete printed pattern lo vastundi. A black, beige and maroon color combination printed pallu. The saree comes with a black and beige color printed blouse priced at 1700, free shipping. Modal silk sarees lo dual color combination lo we have shown you varied prints, and all these sarees are lightweight, comfortable to wear. Work wear ki one of the best option అని చెప్తాను. దీంట్లో మీకు ఏది కావాలన్నా just send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. You can also shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందంటే వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, and if you wish to receive regular updates from our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and happy shopping.